welcome back to Learning with the Difference, and this is Meenakshi. Few days back, I got a comment to prepare school morning assembly script. So I prepared according to that comment. The day will be what you make it. So rise like the sun and burn. There are so many problems in the path of success. To succeed, we have to go through the many obstacles if we want to shine like a sun. Then we must be willing to burn like a sun. With these motivational lines, I, Perv, student of class 10th A, presenting today's morning assembly. Adopting positive thoughts for our way of living brings constructive changes into our days and make us happier and more successful. Let us refresh our mind with thought of the day. For this, I would like to call on Dayas Rudra. Good morning to all. I am Rudra. Thought of the day is failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Rudra. Reading news is a source of inspiration, knowledge, and finding solutions. It helps us become informed citizens. Whenever there are any changes in the rules and regulations of the country, newspaper makes us aware of them. And now let's get update with today's news headlines. For this, I would like to invite on dais Mahi Solanki. Thank you, Mahi Solanki, for news update. For students, quiz enables to think from different angles or out of the box. It improves or expands one's knowledge of things, either general or in specific area, and even help build us soft skills. Let's we check ourselves through this quiz and identify what we know and what we don't know. And I would like to call on dais Om. Thank you very much, Om. School assemblies are also about giving students some space to reflect and engage with important topics. As usual, we have something special, and let's see what we have special today. For this, I would like to invite Vedahi on the dais. Thank you very much, Vedahi. Dear friends, life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving forward. Here we end today's morning assembly. Thank you to all of you for your cooperation. Have a nice day.